Hey everybody, I am in New York City. We just got here and checked into our hotel. So we are at the Sheraton Times Square and we got a king room and we're on the 32nd floor. So I am going to show you, this is a little entryway. Here's the bathroom right beside the entryway, and this is the room. So it's not huge, but it's absolutely fine. I believe that we have an accessible king room. That's the only king that they had available, so we went ahead and took it. So I'm going to show you what's here in the bathroom. There are some pretty good smelling amenities. I'm a sucker for some good smelling shampoo and lotion. So it's Pharmacopoeia verbena scented everything, and it smells really good. It's really like herbaceous smelling. The soap smells really great too. So there's extra of things. There's a bathtub with a handheld shower device. I guess that's part of the accessible thing. So not sure if that comes in every king room, but I'll show you the rest of the room. Here's a nice large mirror, but there's not a closet, and there's not a luggage rack. So there's a safe, and there's some shelving to put your clothes, but not a whole lot. The hotel downstairs looks really nice. Everything looks pretty clean so far in the bedroom. The bed is comfy. I just sat on it. It feels pretty good. And they did offer us water when we checked in. The lady who checked us in said that we could get as much water as we wanted from the bell desk. And they had a whole bunch stacked there, and I just grabbed some. And there is I guess it's, John said it was a wine cooler. I don't know about that, but I don't really know what that is. But there's a little coffee maker, which I thought was unusual. You don't see a coffee maker in every hotel room these days. And it has some Starbucks coffee pods. So you grab your water and you can make yourself a coffee. Save $5 on your morning coffee. So this is our view. We are in Manhattan. Obviously, if we're near Times Square, I think that the Sheraton Times Square is actually about 2 blocks away from Times Square. But I joked to my husband that there's an Applebee's down there, and I said we should get right on over to Applebee's and have lunch. And he was not a fan of that idea, so I guess we're going to be headed somewhere else. But this is pretty cool. We're having fun so far. The hotel seems nice. It seems centrally located, and we're going to explore and see what all this city has to offer. We can look directly across into these offices and watch people do their desk jobs. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was a little bit helpful. Sorry it was so brief. This room is just pretty small. There wasn't that much to show. But, oh, if I didn't already say it, 32nd floor is what we're on. So this is what the view looks like if you're on the 32nd floor of the Sheraton Times Square Hotel. And another point to mention would be that there is no pool in this hotel, but I do believe, based on Oyster website, you have access to the Sheraton across the street, their indoor pool. So anyway, thought you might be interested in knowing that. I hope you will like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.